Hello friends, welcome back to Cad Practice. Today we are going to construct this complex 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch. We'll start from the top plane. So we'll select here the exit plane, rotate the view. From here we are going to take 2 point center rectangle. Now to select the center point, make a rectangle here. Go to dimension. Here give this dimension as 85 mm and this also as 85 mm. Okay, go to 3D model, take extrude. Here take extrude of 15 mm. Okay, so this will be a one direction extrude. Press OK. Now here we are going to make the top profiles. Go to origin and from here we will select the XY plane. Go to create. Now zoom out. Take the circle command and make a circle profile over here of diameter 40. Go to line command and from here we are going to construct a vertical straight line. Escape. Select this line, make it construction. Go to tangent constraint. Select this circle, select this line. Okay. Now here go to dimension. Define the center point from this bottom. So this distance here will be of 105 mm. Okay. Now go to 3D model, take extrude. Select this profile and here take symmetric extrude. And this extrude will be of dimension 40 mm. Now press OK. Now here go to part 1. I have constructed this part. Rotate, go to front view. Now we are going to construct this face. Okay, this face over here and this. So go to part 2. Now here select the XY plane. Go to create sketch. And here take the line command first. Construct a line from the center point. Okay, escape. Now go to arc command and take 3-point arc. Select this point and select this point. Make arc. Now go to dimension. Select the center point and click on this circle. So it will select the center point here. Drag the cursor here. We want a vertical distance as 20 mm and here this radius will be of 85. Okay. Now go to tangent constraint. Select this line. Select this arc. Now go to line. Select this base point. Select this edge. Now select this edge and select this circle. Escape. Now this is fully constrained sketch. Go to 3D model. Take extrude. Select this profile. Okay, so this profile has been selected. Take here symmetric extrude and the distance of extrude here will be of 10 mm. Okay, this will be a joining profile. Now press OK. Okay, now here go to part 1. We have this profile as well. Go to home. So to make this profile, go to part 2. Now go to 2D sketch and we'll select again the XY plane. Here go to slot and we'll select 3-point arc slot. Okay, take 1 point here, 1 point here and other point here. Okay, make one slot profile. Go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Go to sketch again, take the line command. Here we'll select the center point and select this edge. Similarly, here also we'll select the center point and select this edge. Escape. Now here go to select this and this line and make them construction. Okay, now we will define all dimensions. Go to dimension, give the angle between these two as 30 degree. Escape. Now go to line, make a straight line from this circle. Escape. Zoom out. Okay, it will be more clear. Select this line, make it construction. Now go to dimension, define the angle here as 10 degree. Okay, now here we will define this radius as 9. Okay, Now go to concentric constraint, select the arc which is previously made, and this is the center line of this slot. Select this center line. So this will be fully constrained now. Okay. Now here, go to 3D model, take extrude, select this profile. Here take symmetric extrude, and the distance will be of 30 mm. Now press OK. Now go to view, visual style change it to shaded with edges. Okay. Rotate the profile. So this will be the view. Now here go to part 1 again. So we have completed this portion. Now we are going to construct the other profiles. Now we are going to construct this rib profile over here. Okay. So this rib is on both the sides. Go to home. Go to part 2. For this rib we want a mid plane over here from this center. Go to 3D model. Take here axis and select this circle. So a center axis has been constructed. Now here go to plane, and here we'll select the YZ plane and select this axis. So it will ask you if you want to construct a plane at 90 degree, but we want at 0 degree. So we will click here 0 and press OK. So at 0 degree the plane will be constructed over here. Okay. Now select this plane, go to create sketch, and here take the line command. From this edge we are going to construct one line, escape, and go to the arc command now. Go to 3-point arc, and here select this edge, select this, and make one arc. Go to dimension, define the arc radius here as 22.5. Go to tangent constraint, select this line, select this arc, now escape. So this is fully constrained. Rotate the profile. Now select this profile, the yellow convergent inventory, and here change to construction. Select this yellow line, make it construction geometry. Okay, only this line which we have constructed will be in the solid lines. Go to 3D model, take here rib command. Here we'll select the parallel to sketch plane and flip the direction. Okay. Now the thickness of this rib will be 5 mm. It will be a symmetric rib and press OK. Okay. Now select this plane, right click, turn off the visibility. Select this axis, right click, turn off the visibility. Okay. Now go to mirror, select this rib 1, go to mirror plane, and we will select here the XY plane. Rotate the profile. Here you can see the same profile being constructed. Now press OK. Go to home. Now here go to part 1. We are going to make this corner rounds and this slotted profiles. Okay. Go to part 2 again. Now here go to fillet. Take here a radius of 10 mm. Go to edge selection. Select all the 4 corners one by one. First, second, third, rotate, and this fourth. Now press OK. Go to home. Now we are going to construct the cut profiles. So select this face, go to create sketch. Take the circle command first. Drag on this, select the center and make a circle of diameter 10. Similarly here, select the center point, diameter 10. Now for the slot profiles, from here we will select center to center slot. Drag the cursor on this, select the center point and make one slot here. Similarly, we will construct one slot from this center point. Go to dimension, select the center line, give the dimension 35 and this also as 35. Okay. Now the radius here will be of 5 and this radius also of 5. Press OK. Go to 3D model, take extrude, select all the 4 profiles. Here we'll flip the direction so it will change it to cut and press OK. So this will be the cut profile. Now here select this face, go to create sketch. We have to make whole profiles here also. Go to circle, and here select the center point, make a circle here of diameter 25 and make one circle here of diameter 12 and here also from the center point diameter 12. Go to 3D model, extrude, select this circle, select this and select this. Here we will take cut and this will be through all. Rotate the profile, so this will be a through cut, press OK. Go to home. Now here we are left with the radius. Go to fillet, take a radius here of 3 mm, go to edge selection, select this edge, this, okay, rotate, select this edge, select this edge, select this, rotate again, select this edge, this, okay. So I think we have selected all the edges. Okay, this is left, this and this. Okay, now press OK. Rotate the profile, go to home. Now here we will give the appearance. From here we will take opal, so click OP and press enter. So this is the final profile. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a complex 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.